Hey guys, today I am reviewing this beautiful toy for babies under 1. This is a crawling crab toy from Amazon. So this is really cute toy. The plastic is really good, sturdy. Material is not like cheap plastic, and you can see from all the sides. It's chargeable toy. So I purchased this for 1139 rupees. I'll share the link. If your baby is crawling, you can buy this product, and this is like it has a sensory motion, so I'll just on and show you. So it's here, the switch is here. So if you touch it somewhere, the only thing is it has only one music option. It's a good music. It's not very annoying or disturbing. It's a good music. Yeah, but only it has only one option for music. So it is really a good purchase for your baby. You can buy it. It's a crawling crab